Hello traders, I welcome you to E-marketTubeFX, and you are with your trader Henry Ampem.com. Today there is a news hovering around crypto of which I want to share with you. As you can see on your screen, crypto market structure bill has delayed again. I posted this news on my Facebook page 14 hours ago concerning this news. So if you're not following me on Facebook, make sure you do that. Then also, if not subscribed to my YouTube page, make sure you subscribe so that anytime I bring such updates, you too can have access and also take advantage with regard to the crypto market or the forex market, because being in the financial market or being a trader in the financial market, fundamentals are things that you shouldn't joke with, because these are factors that drive volatility on the market or that cause price to move. Should be of great interest to you, because this news that I'm about to share with you caused BTC to drop. That was yesterday, and even as at now, 20th of January, as I'm preparing this video, it caused BTC to drop in terms of price from 95,000 to 92,000. Yes, this news that I'm sharing with you. So let's look at the details of this news. The Crypto Clarity Act failed to advance in the U.S. Senate after a scheduled makeup on January 15, 2026, was postponed indefinitely. The bill, which had passed the House in 2025, aimed to establish a federal framework for digital assets, clarify oversight between the SEC and that of the CFTC, and set rules for stablecoins and tokenized assets. Lawmakers cited industrial backlash and unresolved political dispute as reasons for the delay, leaving the legislation stalled without a new timeline for consideration. Major crypto firms, including Coinbase, withdrew support over restrictive amendments that critics said would harm decentralized finance and innovation. Senate disagreement over ethics provisions and banking rules further contributed to the postponement. As a result, the United States remains without a unified regulatory framework for digital assets with the future of the Clarity Act. Uncertainty heading into the rest of 2026. So that is it, guys. We are all praying that these issues raised by industry players will be looked at, so that finally this bill will be passed, so that it's going to framework with regard to transaction of cryptocurrency in the US. Because if this bill is finally passed, it's going to prepare grounds solid transaction around the globe. Because if this big country US has accepted cryptocurrency with regard to BTC and other cryptocurrency, then if you are a lesser economy, then it means you don't have any option than to accept it. And I remember during the campaign in 2024, Donald Trump said that when voted into power, he's going to make US the hub of cryptocurrency. And ever since he came, or he assumed office, the news hovering around BTC hasn't been bad ever since the initiative, or he made steps to make sure that this bill is passed. Now, big institutions around the globe have accepted cryptocurrency as mode of payment. Other countries are also buying BTC left and right. And when this bill is finally passed, I know it's going to cause massive volatility on the market. And because this news or this bill failed its passage today, as you can see on your screen, it affected BTC to drop in terms of price from 95,000 to 92,000. So we are all praying when this bill is finally passed, I know it's going to cause a positive volatility on the market is going to cause BTC to buy to the insane level. Yes, it's going to cause BTC to buy to the insane level. So let's all keep praying as crypto holders, traders on the market. Let's keep praying that this bill will finally be passed in US, so that this loving currency is going to see the light of it. It has already seen the light, because the BTC started way back 2009 at a price of less than 1 USD, and now we are talking about 90. The current price around 92,000. Bro, it has already seen the light, and we are just praying that this framework or this bill is going to solidify grounds for future transaction in the in our endeavor. So let's keep praying that finally this bill will be passed, then we all see what is going to happen. Thank you very much for your attention. Remember, this is E-marketTubeFX, and you are with your trader Henry and Pim.com. Keep following this channel so that you keep on getting updates with regard to the financial market. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.